Okay guys, ngayon, puntahan natin kaya si Ambassador. Tingnan natin kung anong ginagawa ni Ambassador.
Yes, and I have some baked goods
Yes.
for Ambassador.
Talagang pinag-isipan mo talaga ang pagbe-bake, di ba? Mula sa Waterford, papunta ng Dublin,
Siyempre,
guys.
something personal.
Tara!
Let's talk.
Tara!
Let's talk. Oh, and we have Hilda here.
Oh!
Hello, Hilda.
Wow!
Hi, how are you?
Naman, natsambahan natin dito, guys. Meron tayong isa sa mga kaibigan natin sa Dublin. Hello, Miss Hilda.
Hi, Don. Hi,
Yes,
Laura.
let's go.
Let's go upstairs. Bibisitahin namin si Ambassador. Makibisita ka na din.
Oh, sige. Pakasabay na ako.
Yes, sabay na tayo. Hello, hello. We're back. Hello. Oh, tama guys ha.
Yeah, it's a pleasure meeting you. Okay. Uy, huwag naman kailangan. Tapos kung may mga dala pa kayo ganun.
Dinay ko po yan.
Thank you so much. Oo, sige, lagay ko dito.
Sa sourdough bread po. And then it's a sourdough cinnamon. Kung familiar po kayo sa sourdough.
Yeah, of course.
Yes, so yeah, that's something good for our gut, for our tummy. Pero actually, I brought some po for the employees.
I see. Oo.
And then you can na lang po para matikman din po ni.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hello, Ambassador.
Ay, hello.
Yeah, finally.
Naka-on na ba? Di ba naman?
Naka-on tayo dito.
Naka-on dyan.
Yan, kita. Guys si Ambassador, second time namin to mamita.
Yeah.
Nung umpisa, nung una, dun sa ating, sa Cavan, di ba?
National Heroes Day in Kapan.
Yes. So, yan, nakita niyo guys. Kumusta po, Ambassador?
Okay naman. Oh, well, finally, nakapag-ayos na kami ng embassy. Although hindi pa tapos to. As you have seen kanina, may mga nagdi-deliver pa. So, this is the reason why we have to...
Inilagay na po namin sa van yung isang TV.
This is the reason why we have to postpone several times, hindi lang sa inyo, for many of the callers doon, including ones from the diplomatic corps. Kasi nahiya ako nung una na empty. Oh, wala akong mapaupuan ng maayos eh. So finally ngayon, nagkakahugis na paunti-unti. Hindi pa tapos, but may something na. So, would you prefer to stay here na lang daw for the...
Yeah, we can do the talk here. Yes. And then yung office nyo daw,
Yeah, it's here. It's a simple one. Oo. Ay, Hilda, di tayo nakausap. Yeah. This is the office.
Ano naman? Presidential office po.
yes. Ito yung parang parang oval office, kumbaga. Ito yung the oval.
Triple yung Oval Office dito. One little fraction lang to ng Oval Office.
Oh, look at this, Well, we heard, Ambassador, you're into collecting paintings and arts.
Luma na yan. That was way back yata nung 1995 pa yan.
Oh, wow. Can you tell us something about that, about the painting?
Actually, that painting is supposedly the way the Magellan's Cross in Cebu looked like nung more than a century ago, nung before the coming of the Americans,
Okay.
nung Spanish period pa, the last years of the Spanish period.
Oh, wow.
So you will notice a background, mga old houses pa.
Yeah.
If you go there now, hindi na ganyan yan.
Wala na.
Panay buildings na nasa
Yes.
likod. May Jollibee pa nga yata eh.
May Jollibee.
So that was then. So may mga karumata.
I
So that's parang throwback yan doon sa how it looked during the
Spanish.
olden days. Oo.
Yeah. Saan niyo po nakuha yan, yung painting?
Actually, di ko na nga rin ma-remember kung sa ako nabiling gallery. Small gallery lang noon sa Mega Mall bago pa nung Mega Mall.
I see.
Because that was 1995, di ba?
Oh, wow.
Parang bago pa Mega Mall noon eh.
Yes.
Yeah, Martinez, yung painter niya. Yeah.
Wow. Ang galing, Tapos,
Doon sa kabila, may another one. It's a Muslim, actually, yung painting doon sa conference room natin. Ayun, oo. That was, yata yun eh. As it was explained to me, yung costume doon, one of the tausog costumes.
I see. Parang tadyong.
Yeah, parang tadyong.
Tadyong,
Parang
I
trousers din dito sa, parang pantalon yung dito sa pambaba. Oo. Parang dalawang batang naglalaro na tausog.
Tausog. Yan guys, Pati sa,
Pati ba naman yan?
pati sa ano.
It's not expensive. Hindi ko
malupit,
kaya
ah.
yung mga real masters.
Yes. Matindi.
Mura lang yan, mura lang.
Yan. Ang galing ah.
Yeah, so
Ang ganda ng space dito, no? Parang, siyempre, full ano siya. Yung window,
Yeah.
and then nakikita mo sa labas. Especially sa summer siguro to mainit.
oh yes.
Mainit
Oo.
sa summer.
Mainit sa summer. We were just lucky na available tong ganito. As is na. We don't have to alter anything. This is as it is. Oo. Kaya sabi namin, ito na lang para meant to be. In spite of the fact that it took us 8 months to get a property. We had 3 negotiations. All of, yung average one took 2 to 3 months. Tapos walang nangyari. But this one, in 2 months lang yata nakuha namin to.
Oh, wow.
And ang daling kausap nung company. And it's cheaper. Hindi ko na sabihin magkano, pero it's much cheaper than
Than
the
the other
usual here.
usual.
Oo,
I
kasi
see.
yung this is the embassy row. Karamihan ng embassies dito, mahal
Kaya
yung...
nga po eh, magandang ayos eh.
Although maliit ito compared to other embassies, of course.
Pero, buti na lang, ano?
Good size na rin, no? Oo. Yeah, enough na for our needs.
Yes. At saka,
Especially, ang tinutukan kasi namin, the space that would be necessary for consular services sa baba. Nakita
Yeah.
niyo na yung ano, no?
Yes, yes, yeah.
Yung area.
Maganda,
Yung mukhang
maganda
tama
po
naman.
sa baba.
Oo.
Ang kinaganda rito, no, kahit pa alam nila na Philippine Embassy or any embassy,
Yeah.
yung mag-rent sa place, hindi sila yung parang nagtitake advantage siguro.
No, hindi naman. Oo.
Which is maganda talaga sa Ireland. Fair sila, kumbaga.
Mahirap lang talaga maghanap ng
Ng lugar.
space. Oo. Kasi as everyone knows right now, may acute shortage dito ng real estate,
Yeah.
especially bahay. And so compared to the rest of Europe, dito daw pinakamahirap kumuha ng space. In fact,
Yes.
right now, there are other embassies who are also looking for new spaces. Saka yung mga bagong open na embassies, naghahanap din sila. So, naswertehan natin, naunahan na natin.
That's a good
Yeah,
sign na
actually it is
marami ng
auspicious.
Maganda.
Oo. May awa ang Diyos. I mean, kaagad kami.
Yes.
Although, before this happened, talaga namang grabing stress namin kasi ilang buwan na kami, walang nangyayari. Yung iba, magpipirmahan na lang, then suddenly something comes up, hindi magkakasundo. Yun. So,
Yun.
so medyo,
So,
at least nasa more decent place tayo. No?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ito yung ano.
This is actually what they call the Georgian Row. Ang mga buildings dito, panay Georgian buildings. This was, I was told by the real estate developer na this was constructed in 1780. 37 Upper Marion Street, itong building na to, together with some of the ones right beside it. Kasi sabay-sabay daw ginagawa yan.
Yeah.
So, mga 1780 ginawa, but they continued to make improvements up to 1830. After that, wala nang, all of this, 1830. Except yung mga radiator, yung mga electrical.
yes.
Of course, wala pa nung araw. Nung
Yes,
araw
yes.
yung pang fireplace, which we can no longer use. I mean, we don't want to dare using that kasi baka masunog
sumabog.
kami.
Mahirap.
But it's the original one. So, marble and kailan binarahan na.
Yes.
Sorry.
Yun. So, guys, later on, we'll be talking with the ambassador, and then what we want to know, guys, kasi siyempre tayo mga nasa Ireland, gusto natin makilala si ambassador. And siyempre, alam naman natin na si ambassador bago lang sa Ireland. So, maganda yung malaman natin si ambassador being himself, kumbaga. Kumbaga, ano lang tayo, di ba? Yun. So, Mrs. K, siguro mamaya, na tayo? Okay, guys. Thank you, Ambassador.
Thank you so much,
Tayo.
Thank you for sharing your room,
Yes,
your office
oh.
to us.
Yun. Maya-maya konti, guys. Okay, see you later.
Tara!
Let's talk.
Tara!
Let's talk.